Hey everyone, what's going on? So I never thought that I could be at this point. So I'm having $1,000 days quite frequently. I've had 3 in the past week. I never thought this was possible. This has been a crazy journey for me day trading. You know, going from losing money every day to making 20 or $30 a day in February just to blow it up. And all of February I only made $150. And then slowly February, March, April, May, June, I've been slowly increasing my profits into the $1,000 range and working on those red days. So my red days are usually really big, but I've been working on them. They've been getting better and I've been making a lot more money on my green days. So I'm happy about that. I traded 2 stocks today, SAEX and TGC, up a total of $1,100 Canadian in less than half an hour of trading. That's crazy. Let's go over it right now. All right, everyone, I'm back. Canada Day is over. I'm back here in the market. We had a half day today, so the market's going to close at 1 o'clock, but I was done long before this. I was done at about 10 o'clock, and then I just kind of took a break, ate some food, had some breakfast, and here we are for this video. So it feels like it's been forever. It's been a while. But, you know, I'm here. Reinforcing discipline like crazy. Just like so happy about this discipline today. Finishing up, what is it here? 8:38 and 11:03. I traded SAEX TGC. So I've had that is crazy. Imagine if I kept up that average for the entire year. That's what I'd make in a year. Holy crap, that puts a little smile on my face. But that's not really realistic. We're in a super, super hot market right now. So, my commissions were a little bit higher on TGC because I had a lot more trades on TGC, as you can see here. I had some good holds and then some good scalps, and I stopped trading it in here, even though it provided some more opportunities. For example, as it was riding this moving average here, this would be a decent spot to buy, like in this range, with fairly low risk because, you know, if it breaks down through 71 or through these averages, then you can just stop out rather than buying towards the highs and having a much bigger range for your stop. So that's all right. It was acting a little sketchy in here, so I didn't catch this profit on this breakout, and then I didn't catch this 1 minute breakout. See here, it's holding the breakout spot after it breaks out. So that's a really bullish sign and a sign that it might continue further, or most likely will. So this would be a good spot to buy too on the dip, and then selling up through here for 20-30 cents a profit. That would have been really good, but I wanted to just protect my profits and finish the day green, and I did that, so I'm happy about that. So let's go over the trades for today. 60. All right, we're looking for SAEX over the pre-market highs of 346. I think I'll take it the second it touches like the 40s here, and I'm going to look to sell it maybe in the 60s or 70s. That's the plan. We'll see how it works. I want to see the volume come into it like crazy. I'm not really watching anything else. I think everyone else is also watching this.
Order partially filled. Order filled. Order filled.
There we go. Beautiful
Order filled.
trade.
Okay.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Although,
Order
Oh,
cancelled.
that was sketchy.
Order
Panel just popped. 16.
order partially filled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order partially filled. Order filled. Order partially
I
filled.
hate the 2 extra zeros on the ask. It
Order
makes it so
filled.
ugly. The bid.
Order cancelled. Order partially. Order partially filled. Order filled. Order cancelled.
That feels bad. 202, 201. And then
Order
come back
filled.
down. That's like, wait.
Order partially filled.
I sold a
Order
little
filled.
early again, but I got scared. Actually, that was a perfect trade.
See, that fakes me out so much on the ask right there. What it just did. It was at 2
Order
point.
partially filled. Order
Oh.
filled.
Oh, I just missed it. I sold early because
Kind of.
you saw what happened, right? I bought in, it was
Yeah.
back down to 206 like that. So, I have to re-record this because my microphone's volume wasn't turned on. So anyways, you could see there some great trading on TGC. There was probably a couple spots I could have held, as is evident after the fact. Like maybe if I had held on to those shares here and held them up into the halt or something, but you never really know what's going to happen. So I was taking the quicker trades. I do want to start kind of thinking on a longer term scale with these stocks, potentially, or at least working around a core position. Maybe when I start using more shares, like if I had bought 5,000 shares initially here and then was scalping the highs with like 2,000 or 3,000 while still holding on to those initial shares, or at least a portion of them, and then selling the whole thing at a spot that I determined. So maybe that would have been a good idea. Maybe that's something I'll do in the future, but other than that, some awesome trading today. The market's almost closed. Hopefully no one got stuck in GBR. This thing went up. This thing went up over close to like 100% and then gave the whole thing back within 30 minutes. Or the first, really the first 15 or 20 minutes or whatever of the day. It just dropped from $12 to $7. That's insane. Like if you were long and you're trying to average down, oh god, and then there's just no bounce, no relief bounce at all. So sorry if you were long on that, but if you were short, you know, you just made a lot of money, so that's pretty awesome. With that, you know, I'm gonna stop today. Apparently I keep screwing these up because I'm Canadian and I screw up the holidays every single time. So tomorrow the market is shut because of July 4th holiday, so obviously you guys don't have to trade. I guess I'll be back on Thursday, and let's see if momentum stays in the market by then. But other than that, please leave your comments, comments below. We are up to, where is it here? We're up to 223 subs. Thank you guys so much. Thank you so much. That makes me feel so good, and especially when you guys comment on it. Like there's so many comments. I love responding to every single one. Just helping you guys out, whether it's questions about trading or my platform or some videos or whatever it is. It's kind of cool to interact. And remember, I'm going to do a giveaway at 250 subs. So we're almost there. Maybe by next week probably we'll get there. So hit that subscribe button, please. And with that, we will see you on Thursday.